Welcome back to your Tech on YT, beautiful people. I hope you guys are doing fine. Today I will teach you how to access blocked websites in India without using any VPN. You can see I have two browsers, which is Chrome browser, which has been used worldwide, and Tor browser, which has been only used by smart peoples. Okay, we'll open Chrome browser now, and we'll have made a list of blocked sites in India. We'll open that also, and we'll open Tor browser now. Now we'll go to the blocked list and copy the first URL. Tamil Rockers, which has been blocked in India and many other countries like long back. Okay, we're gonna search in Chrome and search. You can see your request URL has been blocked as per direction received from the Department of Telecommunication, Government of India. Please contact administrator for more information. It has been blocked. We'll go to the Tor browser and search for the same link. Search. My internet is little bit slow. Make sure you guys wait little bit. Don't be in hurry. It will open. See, it has started already opening. Title has been loaded. See, the site has been opened. You can see the difference between Chrome and Tor browser. Without VPN, Tor browser works. We'll go to the second site, TikTok, which has been recently banned in India. Copy the URL. We'll search for TikTok. You can see same results. The same message which was popped up back has been popped up. We'll go to Tor browser and search for TikTok. See, the TikTok has been loaded. Everything is working fine. Without using any VPN, TikTok is also getting opened. Nice. Now we'll go to the third link, which is called as torrent. Torrent. It is taking a lot of time to load. Actually, it is not able to reach the site. Also in Chrome browser. Let me reload it again and search. The site cannot be reached. Okay, we'll go and do the same thing in Tor browser also. You can see the link has been opened. This is the magic what happens in Tor browser. You do not need any VPN, anything. The fourth one is XXX. I think you guys can understand. It's called as all porn sites, and all porn sites can be opened in Tor browsers without using any VPN. If you want to know how to download and install Tor browser, I have made a video on it, and the link is in the description. You can go and check it out. If you have any doubts related this video or any other video, and if you have any doubts, you can follow me on Instagram and Telegram and ask me. I'll make a video on it. Make sure you guys like, subscribe and share my video, so it'll motivate me to make more videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you. See you.